Hi guys, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to show you the correct way to harvest calabrese, or some of you might know it as broccoli, in such a way that will allow the plant to continue to grow and produce lots of side shoots, and to basically give you more value for money. So I'm going to cut this now. I've got my trusty little utility knife, which is fantastic for this sort of job, especially in the courgette plants over there, because it can really get in. It's nice and sharp. It can get in all the small little spaces and really make a good clean cut. So I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to show you one of the plants that I cut about 10 days ago now, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean to encourage the plants to produce more heads of broccoli. And I'm going to call it broccoli rather than calabrese, because that's what I've been used to really. Calabrese is the proper name really, because broccoli is something a little bit different, but for the purposes of the video I'm going to call it broccoli, so please forgive me on that one. So we've got the head of the broccoli up here, we've got the stem that goes down here. You want to leave a little bit on, you don't want to be cutting too far up, because you've got these little bits here, and you want to obviously keep it all intact and as one. So a couple of inches roughly down the stem to round about here, and I'm just going to make a little cut here, so a nice clean cut, and then you're getting the whole head off in one go. There we are, so a nice big broccoli head here. So as I say, it's very important just to chop the top off there and not dig up the whole plant, because, and I'm going to show you in a second, the plant will keep producing. So we've got the main head here, we've got that off, we'll eat that. I'll probably parboil this and freeze the little florets. But we want to encourage the plant to keep producing and give us more crop, more vegetables. So I'm just going to show you this one here, which I cut about 10 days ago, and just to show you exactly what I mean, and why you should never just dig up the whole plant itself. So 10 days ago I had a similar head of broccoli that I cut, and I'm going to go behind the camera in a second and just show you exactly what I'm talking about. So this was it, 10 days ago, chopped the top, got a nice big head, that's in the freezer, and 10 days later you're getting all this new growth. So you can see the big one there at the bottom, so that'll get a little bit bigger, and you can see in the centre there, if I just zoom down a little bit, so that's where we made the cut, but you can see all these little new heads starting to form. Got the big one there, if I get the focus, there we are. So they'll not be as big as the main head that you've just picked, but you'll be encouraging, by cutting the head rather than the plant, you're encouraging the whole plant to send out the side shoot. So it's just following the principle of, you cut the top off something, say a hedge or a tree, it tries to put all the growth into the sides. So it's exactly the same here, it sends all these shoots, and you're continuing to get a good crop. So I hope that's helped you. I've got a few more jobs to be pottering on with here, film a few more videos for you. So if you've got this far, if you can give it a thumbs up, it's really important just to help the channel grow, and YouTube will send it out to more people and things like that. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.